Oh! Did I just
They're
see?
here, they're here,
Where?
they're here, they're
Where?
mining out. This way.
Where? Oh
Look.
my god! Oh my god! Hold on, just build up. Wait, at some point.
Oh my god!
No!
Hello gamers, this is the CapDog channel. Hopefully you can hear me this time. It's also the Lemon Murray channel also because that's cool. And we're doing some treasure wars and I think we're camping out in Emerald, which is pretty lit.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
Also, I spelled epic completely incorrectly.
Elog. Elog.
Oh no. So we've got Oasis, that's pretty epic. Where are you?
I'm always here.
Not creepy. I'm kind of disappointed it's your treasure though, and not my robot head.
This isn't my. Oh, it is mine. Yeah, the traffic coin.
Look, I'm gonna tease them. Oh, dude, look out! They're coming to us. They're building to us. They're building to us.
Always.
Sorry about people's ears if they liked ears. Ears are a bad thing. Don't invest in ears. I mean,
Oh no.
who buys ears these days? Like seriously, they're a
Yeah,
waste
buy
of money.
feet. You have to buy feet instead.
I'm pretty sure you'll understand if you join the Discord. Join the Discord.
No, you wouldn't. But join anyway.
Ah! Storm 'em! Storm 'em! Storm 'em! Storm 'em!
Bomb them.
Dude, defend the treasure!
Oh Christ.
Going in. No. Hit me. Do it. That's all you've got. That's all you can do. Hit me with your bare fists.
Hit them, hit them.
Oh! All you can hear in the gold summoner is.
I can't hear anything.
Oof.
Ooh, 6 emeralds.
Oh, epic. Now,
12.
I would not mind diamond armor,
18.
but if you want, I can give you my chain if you want.
24 emeralds.
You want this chain?
Yeah, okay. Hold on. Kill the yellows.
Oh, wait, what? Run away. Dude, run away. Dude, run.
I'm running.
Come on. I can kill you with 0 frame rates. I'm not scared of you.
Sure.
Run away.
Wow.
Run away. They're genuinely not even trying to kill me. They are just, because they don't have a treasure. Oh, he killed me. Oof. Right, I'm gonna get this yellow geese because I'm pretty salty that he hit me off the edge.
Why'd you do that? What was the purpose?
That.
My life. You killed me. Cold-bloodingly.
He's given me. Wait, what happened? Where are you? Who killed you?
There's a gap, and there's a block, and you placed a block in front of the gap. And murdered me.
Oopsies, manslaughter. Ah! It's literally just organising my inventory, and these die. Do the epic die. Thank you. Now you're dead. It's exactly your turn. No, you better not hit me off this time. Let me get it. Dude!
Killing everyone.
Yeah, maybe it's time to camp in,
Yeah. Oh, Grey here. I'm going to take his life. Oh, he's going for a treasure. Not a good idea, my friend. Not a good idea. Actually, that is kind of a good idea.
Oh!
Oh God, I'm nearly dead. That's embarrassing.
Dude, run! Hey, get out of Emerald. I'm not gonna worry about. Dude!
No.
Well, I guess I could try and make a bloopers video. What is he doing? I do need to get a bow though, so tell me if they.
Just end them. Look at their treasure. Just destroy it.
Where are
It's
they?
easy.
Where did he go?
That's the treasure over there.
Where did the other
Behind you.
go though? Who was?
You killed. No, you killed him.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh,
Oh, he's coming for you.
not this time. You can come for me, Maticus. I'm just going to organise my inventory to show how much I really couldn't give a poop about the fact that you're coming for me.
He's building a proper staircase. He's taking all the effort of building the staircase.
Why? I mean, I know he can just gank me off the edge, but... Out of here, okay? Out of here. Why did I buy a gapple and not an ender pearl? Oh, too high! Out of here, out of here, out of here, out of here.
Nice.
Too blimmin' high. Come on, you salty sawfish.
Nice. Well done.
Where is he?
Look at him. What's he doing? Yeah.
Right, where's the other geese?
Going to blue.
Forgot to eat that. So let's just eat it now. What was he trying to break it to get away?
No, he's trying to break it to get up.
You can't. Oh, you got a diamond sword, but not for long. I think it's time to try it again because we didn't really build a base in emerald, did we?
No.
I mean, I can turn that into another video. I could just make 2 videos in one, you know?
It's not the same.
Right, this time we will build a base in emerald.
Hopefully.
They're coming for us.
Of course.
I fell off.
Yep. Can I place it? Oh, yeah.
Just be the epic careful.
Like they weren't. Lovely. Gamer? No.
What was the treasure? Oh, well done.
It's kind of fun actually. I kind of like it.
I like just playing tennis with you.
Oh, now they've killed me.
Oh, that was meant to be the cue of the music montage. He baited me. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, you can't build any higher, can you? No!
Oh, bro. That's a no. If I can jump. That. Oh, okay. Don't kill me. Oh, he killed me. Okay.
Yeah. Oh my god, I fisted him to death.
Oh, he's gone off to his base, but he's really slow.
Oh, it's him
Yes,
from the last game.
He has to stop before he moves his head.
Oh, well done. Should we get these geezers?
I don't see why not.
Just seems too easy.
They're very gettable, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh, they went. Dude, stop going in front of me.
They're punching me into you. Oh, they blocked their access to get to us.
Love how they haven't even hit me, and I'm just kitting up over here. Nice one.
Nice. Ugh, that skin is horrible. Kill it.
Oh no, he's leaving.
Forbidden. Ah, okay. Thank you. That's very kind. They always expect that to be annoying, but I kind of like it.
Well, did you get the kill? What the bruh? Right, let's get their treasure just because they're annoying me. Yes,
That's
yes,
mean.
yes, 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 yes. Bro, I can't even hit him.
Lag placed. Oh god, dude here.
Ah, 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 ah. I was on
Come on.
1 heart. Dude, take this iron sword.
Wait, are they teaming?
Dude, look in the team chest. Take the iron
I've got one.
sword.
I've got one.
I feel redundant now. How are we gonna break the treasure?
Done it. I've already done it.
Where is he?
I just don't have armor though.
Don't kill me. Yes! I'm not gonna destroy their treasure. I'm just gonna get a couple kills, because who doesn't love getting kills?
Yeah, who doesn't?
Oh, he's got a bow, but I have no arrow. I'm gonna walk into that. Where is he? He's here. Give me your arrows. Thank you. No, you collected them in emerald skis. Oh my god, stop collecting the emeralds! Oh my god! How many times am I gonna need to kill them before I can... Ah! Gank! Give me them. Thank you. The amount of times I just tried to collect 7 emeralds is stupid. Oh my god. We have got so many. Just of everything. I have. I mean, like, we're not gonna be completely hermity in here. We may leave to buy some stuff.
Yeah. Oh, he's breaking. He's breaking.
Who's breaking?
Crouch. This guy.
Dude, crouch. He's got arrows. Dude, dude, look out! Look out! It's a trap!
Not on my watch.
Hey! Right, yeah, we gotta make this more secure.
It's not gonna look nice, but
come on, you gotta.
The most important one we haven't really done anything about.
Yeah, I'll get this one as well here. Oh, dude, I got your playing tracker as well.
Don't need it. We can see everything from the mining.
Right, they're probably gonna try and go in another way, so we've just gotta.
Look how ugly that is.
You don't buy any.
He's here.
Where? Dude, kill him! I don't have a diamond sword. Right, when I get enough emeralds, I might go back and get loads of ender pearls and all that good stuff.
Yeah, alright.
Don't worry, I shall bring back a nice and tasty new one. And as soon as I go out, cover it back up.
Oh my god. They're building an endstone fort.
Are they?
Yeah.
Well, they will want to come to us eventually.
Yeah, because we got better stuff.
Do you want... I'm gonna buy loads of arrows as well. Tools. Stone pickaxe. No, not stone. Iron pickaxe. Iron axe. Oh, looking decent.
Cool.
Weapons. Diamond sword. Don't know why I didn't buy that earlier. But I'm gonna throw out all of the useless crud. And I'm gonna get a load of... Actually...
I think they're AFK. Which is worrying.
Right, dude, I have absolutely stocked up to the absolute brim.
Alright.
So if I fall off now, I'm gonna be, like, so salty. We can't be certain that they're AFK.
They're definitely not now. They were, definitely.
Right, I hope you've got plenty of wood.
Eh.
I don't want that!
I know.
Yeah, if you guys are gonna go salty in the comments, we're not doing this because we're wimps. We tried to take on plenty of challenges. And this is just one that came up. What?
This looks so stupid.
Oh my god. You gotta do the other sides though as well. Oh my god. Yeah, oh, and this side. This side's very...
Oh, I've run out. Oh, no.
Of what?
Oh, they're going round. They're going round.
Where?
I saw their name tag. They can't really go out that way.
We're blocking off all our light. Oh my! Do you want some andesite if you've run out?
Yeah. Nice.
That's not... They just jumped off!
We're keeping this still. We still won. We're still up there. That is an ugly skin. That is an ugly skin.
Oh no. Do you want to try and do it again?
So that was the first part of this Treasure Wars challenge. If you want to see the second part, that will be uploaded on CapDog's YouTube channel, and hopefully the annotation will be on your screen when that's out. You can also click on the previous challenge we did if you want to see that, and also make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.